This is going to blow your mind. You can market your business effectively for under $500 in 2024. Running a business is tough. It's a constant juggling act, balancing finances, managing employees, and keeping customers happy. You're competing with big brands and fighting for every customer. The market is fierce, and every sale counts. But here's the good news. Online marketing levels the playing field. It gives you the tools to compete effectively, regardless of your size. It's how you reach more people, build your brand, and grow your business. You can engage with customers directly and create a loyal following, even with a tight budget. You don't need to spend a fortune to make an impact. Think about it, people are online all the time. They're searching for products, reading reviews, and connecting with brands. The digital world is where your customers are. If you're not online, you're missing out, you're invisible. Your competitors are taking the customers that could have been yours. Here's the thing. Online marketing doesn't have to be expensive. There are many free or low-cost tools available. You don't need a huge budget to see results. Even small investments can lead to significant returns. With a little creativity and the right strategies, you can make a big impact. Innovation and smart planning are key. Even with just $500, you can achieve remarkable growth and success. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more tips on growing your business. Let's talk about how to make that $500 stretch. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, every dollar counts. First things first, you need a plan. Without a clear strategy, it's easy to waste money on ineffective tactics. Don't just throw money at random tactics. Instead, focus on areas that will give you the best return on investment. Here's a simple breakdown. Website tune-up for $100. This ensures your online presence is professional and functional. Your website is your online storefront. It's often the first impression potential customers have of your business. Make sure it's fast, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate. A slow or confusing website can turn visitors away. You can find affordable freelancers on platforms like Fiverr for small tasks. They can help with everything from design tweaks to coding issues. Social media ads for $200. These ads can significantly boost your visibility and reach. Target your ideal customers directly on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. These platforms offer powerful targeting tools. Small investments can go a long way with the right targeting. Even a modest budget can yield impressive results. Content creation tools for $100. These tools help you create professional-looking content without breaking the bank. High-quality visuals and engaging videos are key. They capture attention and convey your message effectively. Tools like Canva and Lumen 5 offer free plans with paid upgrades that fit your budget. They are user-friendly and versatile. Email marketing software for $100. This is a powerful way to stay connected with your audience. Build your email list and nurture relationships with potential customers. Regular updates keep your audience engaged. Platforms like MailChimp offer free plans for small businesses. They provide essential tools to manage your email campaigns effectively. You don't need expensive software to succeed. Here are some budget-friendly tools to boost your marketing. Canva. Create stunning graphics, social media posts, and even videos for free. Google Analytics. Track your website traffic, understand your audience, and see what's working. It's free. MailChimp. Build your email list, create professional campaigns, and automate your email marketing. Buffer. Schedule your social media posts in advance and save time. Lumen 5. Turn your blog posts or articles into engaging videos. Remember, free trials are your friend. Experiment with different tools and see what works best for you. Social media mastery, winning hearts and customers. In today's digital age, mastering social media is crucial for any business looking to thrive. Social media is where your customers are. It's the virtual marketplace where interactions happen. It's where they hang out, chat with friends, and discover new brands. This is where your brand can make a lasting impression. But it's not just about posting randomly. You need a strategy. A well-thought-out plan can make all the difference. Choose the right platforms. Don't spread yourself too thin. Each platform has its unique audience and style. Focus on 1 to 2 platforms where your target audience spends their time. This ensures your efforts are concentrated and effective. Be social. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and run contests. Interaction builds community and loyalty. Use visuals. People love images and videos. They are more likely to engage with visually appealing content. Share high-quality visuals that capture attention. Invest in good photography and design. Track your results. See what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategy accordingly. Continuous improvement is key to success. Content is king. Creating content that clicks. Content marketing is about creating valuable, relevant content that attracts and engages your target audience. It's not about selling, it's about helping. Here's the deal. Know your audience. What are their pain points? What keeps them up at night? Create content that provides solutions. Think outside the blog post. Experiment with different formats, videos, infographics, quizzes, and even memes. Promote, share your content on social media, email it to your list, and reach out to influencers. Ready, set, grow. Your online marketing adventure starts now. Here's the bottom line. Online marketing doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning, creativity, and the right tools, you can achieve amazing results on a tight budget. Don't wait another minute. Start implementing these tips today and watch your business grow. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more tips.